I'm sure every coaster enthusiast has heard about this by now, but Wicked Twister, the Intamin impulse coaster at Cedar Point, is going to be leaving the park after September 6th, 2021. In today's video, I just wanted to give a quick update on this and share my thoughts on what comes next. So, without any further ado, let's talk theme parks. Wicked Twister is a record-breaking coaster. At 215 feet, it's the tallest Intamin impulse coaster in the world, and is one of the coasters that gives Cedar Point the record of being the park with the most coasters over 200 feet. And given how Cedar Point and its parent company, Cedar Fair, love their records, it's only natural to assume that Wicked Twister's removal could only mean that Cedar Point is preparing to replace it with something better. Could it be a new flying coaster? A new wooden coaster from GCI? A record-breaking multi-inversion coaster? I don't know, and your guess is as good as mine. But I can almost guarantee that whatever coaster is coming will break records for that model. This idea that Wicked Twister will likely be replaced by a record-breaking coaster can also be linked to the fact that Tony Clark, Cedar Point's general manager, has gone on record to say that the park wants to celebrate their 150th anniversary with a roller coaster that will outdo Steel Vengeance, an RMC hybrid that is considered by many to be the best roller coaster in the world. And with Wicked Twister closing this fall, it would make sense that this new ride would open in 2023 or even as early as 2022. Which would still work as something to honor the park's historic anniversary. I also wouldn't be surprised if they removed the stadium near the ride while they're at it to open up the space. I would love to see that whole area transformed into a properly themed boardwalk section, and just see an expansion of the midway onto the beach. Now, as for Wicked Twister itself, there have been some long-standing rumors that it would be relocated to California's Great America. But I don't think this is actually going to happen anymore. In fact, I'm not even sure if it'll get relocated to another Cedar Fair park, or even if it'll get sold and relocated at all. The park has had a lot of maintenance issues with this ride, so I doubt Cedar Fair will want to keep it, especially given the recent trend of removing older and less reliable rides. I mean, I hope it gets relocated so that it can live on somewhere else, but I'm doubtful. On a personal level, I'm really disappointed that I can't visit the park before September 6th. This coaster has always captured my curiosity, and it sucks that I'll never get a chance to ride it. At least, not on the shores of Lake Erie anyways. But what do you think will be happening to Wicked Twister in this plot of land? Let me know in the comments. Also be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and all that wonderful YouTube stuff. And check out some of my other videos for more theme park discussions and other fun adventures. Thanks for watching, and as always, the adventures are calling. Bye!